In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up internal links within a document by utilizing headings and bookmarks. This skill can be incredibly useful for organizing and navigating long documents, whether for personal use or when you need to share it with others. So, let's dive right into it. First, let's focus on preparing your headings. Begin by ensuring that the sections you want your readers to be able to jump to are formatted as headings. This is an important step because headings help structure your document and make it more accessible for quick navigation. To format a section as a heading, start by selecting the section title. Once highlighted, navigate to the menu and go to Format. From there, choose paragraph styles and select the appropriate heading style, like Heading 1 or Heading 2, depending on how you want to prioritize this section in your document structure. Next, it's time to select the text you wish to link from. Locate the text in your document that you want to turn into a clickable link. For instance, you might want something like "Click here for Chapter 3. Highlight this text, as this is what readers will click to jump to your chosen section. Now, let's create the link. With your text highlighted, right-click on it to open the menu and select Link. In the link box that appears, click on the drop-down menu that says Headings and Bookmarks. This will reveal a list of the document's headings. Simply select the heading you want to link to, and then click Apply. Now, you'll find that clicking this link will direct you straight to that section heading, making content navigation seamless. Moving on to part 2, linking to a specific point in your document using bookmarks. Start by finding the exact word, phrase, or specific spot that you want to link to. This could be a key statistic or a fact you want to highlight. Click your cursor right before or directly on your chosen text. Then go up to the top menu and click Insert and select Bookmark. A small blue icon will appear, marking your spot. Now, just like before, find the text elsewhere in your document that you want to transform into a clickable link. Highlight this text. To create a link to the bookmark, right-click again on the highlighted text and select Link from the menu. In the link box, click the drop-down that says Headings and Bookmarks. This time, you'll see your bookmarks listed. Select the bookmark you created and click Apply. Now, this link will take anyone directly to the bookmarked spot. Finally, for those of you looking to get a shareable link to a particular bookmark, here's how. Hover over the bookmark icon in your document. Click on it, and a small box will appear with the word Link. Right-click on Link and select Copy Link Address. You can paste this link into an email or chat, and anyone with access will be able to jump directly to that bookmark position in the document. And that's it! You now have a thorough understanding of how to create internal links using headings and bookmarks. This will greatly enhance the navigability of your documents.